I did the PLM headers on the Accord SIR wagon, I don't know, last week or so. Carlos hit me up from Xperformance, said I could come down today. It's Saturday, about 10:30, and get the connection pipe piece fabricated, welded up, whatever. But you got to hear this. This is ridiculous. The windows are not open. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. So this is going to be a miserable 50-minute drive, but hopefully it'll be way quieter and better performing on the way back.
Can you get
Yeah,
a pry
fire.
bar? You get a pry bar? One of your pry bars. And the pieces,
It's fast.
Huh?
It's fast. Doesn't matter, yeah.
Your fan's on.
Okay, good, good. Thank God.
Whoa.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I was just listening. Sounds good.
You got men customers.
Now I want a right-hand drive.
I got one for you coming. That's, I want you to. Driving home from Xperformance. As you can hear now in the car, it is not loud at all. Had a blast hanging out a little bit, watching, talking shit, you know. Still really stoked and waiting on the Prelude to come back, hopefully in the next week or two. I'll be ripping that thing around. But if you're ever in the Waldorf area, Napoli's Pizzeria, just picked up subs for me and the lady. Great little Italian deli pizzeria. So yeah, like the video, subscribe, comment, do all that stupid YouTube stuff that apparently helps videos do better. So have a good one.